Okay, welcome to Odd Job. Just got this chandelier looking thing. It's a chandelier. We're going to assemble it, and without any plans. And I hopefully we can learn from this, because the instructions on how to put it together are pretty lame. It's one of those Amazon specials. This might work for anything you're doing. So I'm just going to clear a little space here. I'm opening up some bags. The little rings, these are going to go over top, because that just makes sense to me, right? That's what those are. This here looks like the top cover. It's going to go over top of your electrical box, correct? Like so, right? It's going to sit up there. Remember this. The chain is going to suspend it all. And all of your connectors, morettes, all that kind of stuff. And then in here, we have the rest of the chandelier. Okay. I'm not quite sure how this is all going to go, but we're going to put it all together. Does that make sense? Kind of makes sense to me. One of these has the wire that's going to go through it. We're going to feed that wire through one of these rods, and it's going to end up in here. So I'm going to unscrew the top here, because this is where the wire is going to come out, and we're going to have to make a connection in there. Cut that loose. These two wires here, neutral, live, they're labeled. They're going to come. Okay, so this wire here, sorry. So the one wire here that's going through the base of the chandelier, we're going to feed that through one of these rods. Okay, and here, popped up here, you see that? So where this one here came out, we're going to tighten this up. Oh my God, these are not easy here. So we're going to, you obviously see what I'm doing here, right? So these three rods will fit down here, and I'm going to line it up and tighten it up like this. A little bit of play in it. I'm not worried about that. And then this one, ideally when you're done, it should center itself. I think. At least that's how I would look at it. Okay. And so in here, we're going to make this connection. Black to black, white to white. They supply you with morettes, which is good, I guess. Okay, and once those are mint and done, we can put this back on. Okay. So far so good, huh? Six bulbs. I guess I'm gonna need 6 bulbs, huh? Okay, we're not done yet. We also have a chain, very long chain. And it's going to have a clip here. There we go. Okay, so we put the mounting plate up here for the fixture. Now, when I put these things on, I try and line up the nuts. We're going to join it in a straight line, so that if you look up at it, they're not going into weird angles, right? So I'm trying to make this to go kind of the way it's supposed to go. And once that's in there, I can tighten this up. Double checking to make sure that I didn't don't have any live wires. That would hurt. Okay, there's one. Okay, so at this point, I've got the wire coming from the chandelier, and the chandelier is just suspended below me, and this is going to go through the inside through the hole here at the top. Put it through there, like so. Got that. We'll put this wire right through there. So here on the housing, it's got a stranded ground wire. Wrap that around this green post that's here. Tighten that up. That's your security. So in case anything falls, this is going to hold on. Got it? Good. Okay, we're going to moret the two ground wires together. I'm going to tuck that up inside, out of the way. And these ones here, I'm going to shorten them just a bit because we've got way too much to work with. Yeah, that's long enough. And then we're going to, this wire here, now we have the white there, put the white inside the other side. Okay. Come on. That's it. And then the black over here on this side. Okay, they're good and tight, and that's a good connection. Pull this out some more. And all of this, I want to put it up inside the box. You don't really want it dangling around in here. I'd rather have it way up in that box where it's more protected, like that, right? And then these, okay, that's good there, nice. And then we're going to hook the chain on here, the security chain, and we're going to leave that for a while until the homeowner decides how high to put it. It's kind of crazy. It's really crazy. Okay, so once you've settled on the height, then disconnect it from the top and feed your wires back up through the chain. You want it to be as uniform and straight as you want so that you don't really see the wire. The wire is going to be hidden by the chain. Okay. Like so, and then back up through here. Okay. The question is always what to do with the extra wire. I want to leave enough in there that if they want to adjust it up or down, they can. I think I'm going to end up cutting it. I'm going to add double the length there. I'm going to cut it there. I know I hate doing that too. Up in there. That looks all right, eh? We'll see how it lights up. That's very nice. So that's going to do for this video. This is how it works. It's pretty simple. And it goes to show that you don't necessarily need an instruction manual to put something together and get it to work. Turned out really good.